If you've been wondering how to find your project on CapCut in Windows 11 PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where your saved projects are located inside CapCut, so you can get back to editing without wasting time searching through menus. This is super helpful if you have multiple drafts, older edits, or you just can't remember where your latest project went. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open the CapCut PC app on your Windows 11 computer. Once CapCut loads, make sure you are on the home screen. You can confirm this by checking the left sidebar. The home section should be selected, and that's important because your project list is displayed there. If you're in another area like templates, space, or a different workspace, you may not see your files right away, so always start by returning to home. Next, scroll down a little on the home page until you see the project section. This is where CapCut stores your recent and saved projects. Under that heading, you should see all of your project thumbnails listed out. These are the edits you've already started or saved, and you can click any one of them to reopen it instantly. If you don't see the exact project you're looking for right away, keep scrolling through the projects area. Depending on how many projects you have, it may take a moment to spot the one you need. CapCut usually shows your projects in a list or grid, so look carefully through the thumbnails and names. If you still want to locate something specific faster, use the search bar at the top. Click into the search field and type the name of the project, or even part of the title if you only remember a few words. CapCut will narrow down the results and help you find the exact project much more quickly. This is the easiest way to avoid manually searching through all your saved edits. Once you find the project, simply click it to open and continue editing from where you left off. And that's it. Now you know how to find your project on CapCut in Windows 11 PC. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one.